we got a quote from Guardian and many other companies to get a roof done. Long story short, Guardian came in, they rebuilt my roof. They gave us a metal roof, lifetime guarantee. Felt very, very, very happy, very pleased with the work they've done. Anytime we've have any questions or anything's wrong, they've always been back out. The sales guy lived just down the street from us, so I'd run into him once in a while. Well, fast forward to this year, my 80-year-old mother, who lives about 20 miles south, had some issues that looked like going on with her roof. My husband kind of went up and looked at it, and he's like, no, we need to get a hold of Guardian and have somebody come look at it. She's like, fine. So we went ahead and set up the appointment with Guardian to come out and look at Beryl Nordby's roof and give an estimate and look at it. They're real good about following up and setting up the appointment. Guardian got out there, set up the appointment, and came and did the job that needed to be done. I think what was surprising is the day they came out twice because they had to let some cement dry, and they came back out another time. And the guy was there at 8 o'clock in the morning, probably before 8, ready to get up on the roof. And he stayed probably till 4 or 5 o'clock that night, got the job done. And I think he even cleaned her windows on her house because she's like, he cleaned my windows. And I told her, I said, Mom, that's Guardian. I said, I wouldn't have recommended them if I didn't believe in them as a company, you know? And I will continue to move forward recommending them. They're always there. They've done a good job. Very pleased with them. And in this day and age, it's hard to find companies like that.